Looking for a fun and engaging way to make some extra cash? Look no further than this Puzzles Games free app. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your love for puzzles games into real money by playing on this free app. With a user-friendly interface and a variety of challenging puzzles, you'll be able to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make some extra income while having fun. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Do you love playing with words? What if you can earn real money by playing easy and interesting games online? Wealth Words brings super exciting skill-based games to make your puzzling experience an amazing one. Do you know what's the best part of these puzzles? These easy online crossword puzzles can be completed in minutes anywhere, where an internet connection is available. Before starting to play the game, you need to create an account, which is a simple process. All you need to do is click on the Register button. Then, fill up the required details and agree to the terms and conditions. You can also register using your Google or Facebook account. Now, you are ready to get started and earn huge by playing the games. Wealth Words not only entertain you with our enticing puzzles but also gives you an opportunity to make huge money. They offer exciting time-bound word games where you can build your skills and earn real money at the same time. Some of these are quick picks, cashback games, instant cash quiz, quick words, crosswords, and much more. All payments are delivered regularly directly in your PayPal accounts. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more insightful videos like this.